Let's go, everyone. Today, super excited to be unboxing this men's Adidas Superlite 3 cap. So, love wearing these while driving, staying out of the sun. Wow, beautiful. Reflective. Oh, this is reflective up here. That's cool. Aero ready, adjustable fit. Aero ready. A big difference. Get this out. Big difference between the Superlite 3 and 2 is that the 3 has these small holes here. More breathability. Velcro seems similar. This might be a little lighter. I don't know. The material, I'll see once I try these out. Yeah, I'll drop a link in the video description below on where you can order these from. Let me know what you guys think of this in the comment section below. Let me show you the tag. Yep, it's men's Superlite 3 hat in white. Cool. Yeah, I hope you're all doing well. Catch you all in the next unboxing video. Later.